It is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys can make this. Hi, welcome to the Berkeley Chef. I'm Jenny here today. We're going to make an amazing dessert. It's called cassava. Cassava Pone is come from Trinidad or Philippines. They are different kind of a variation of cassava pone from all over the world. So this is just a basic one that I'm making, and next time we're going to try the Trinidadian version with pumpkins in it. So I have grated frozen grated cassava. I bought it in the Asian market and it's frozen, so I defrosted it. So it's about 1 pound. I have coconut sugar, cinnamon, and coconut flake. So then I'm going to put in some a cup of coconut milk. My spatula is. So I'm going to mix everything up and be ready to go. This is a very popular dessert in Philippines and also in Trinidad as well. Just gonna add first maybe half a cup. Let's see how that works. Just gonna okay, I'm just gonna put this in a pan and I'm gonna put it in the oven. So now I like to sprinkle some more cinnamon, just a little bit, and a little bit of brown sugar on top. Okay. So the sugar here is going to caramelize and it will be having a nice flavor there. So let's tap it a little bit. Just tap it, and you're going to put it in the oven to bake about maybe 45 minutes to an hour, depend. So when you take it out from the oven, you just have to test it. You just insert a nice straight down here and you pull it out. If there's no crumbly of the cassava or even a cake, any bread that you make, if it's like when you stick it in, it comes out just exactly as clean as it, so you know it's already cooked. But it have a lot of like moisture and crumble in there, then it's not actually cooked. So you can put back another maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes to really dry it out. So we'll see you when you next time when it's baked, and I'll show you how did it come out. So follow us on Berkeley Chef and send us your thing. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to the Berkeley Chef. Now the cassava pone is done and out of the oven. I tried to cool it down. You see how now I'm tempted to already cut it. We're gonna taste it out. And ooh, look at this, really nice cassava. Ooh, nice. Smell nice. You see that? Should I wait a little bit to cool down? In the fridge would be nice to cut it. But you see how tempted I am right now? Getting at it, you know? Okay, it's kind of still a little hot, a little bit warm, but it will be nice to actually cool it down. Put it in the fridge. It will be. I love coconuts. Coconuts, my divine thing. See here from. It was kind of nice and warm, very gooey now, but it was set. Later on, when it's cool down, put it in the fridge. Really delicious. It's kind of warm. Lots of coconut, sweetened cassava, and also like I added a dry coconut flake, so I have a little bit of crunch in it. You know, it is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys can make this. If you love the warm cassava pone, go ahead with a scoop of ice cream. Divine. And if not, I will refrigerate in the fridge to firm it up a little bit harder. And both way is better. Depend whichever you prefer. So until next time, try a cassava pone.